Find the last two digits for 6 power 2005. Traditional method. Then I will discuss Anil Nair's method. Traditional method. Most of the students will solve a problem like this. Most of the students. 6 power 2005. 6 power 2005. So, multiple methods are there. Method 1 in traditional method and method 2. Method 1 is the last two digits of a number. The last two digits of a number. Last two digits of a number. It is the remainder when you divide a number by 100. When you divide a number by 100. So what they will do? They will do 6 power 2005 divided by 100. 100 is a composite number. So 100 is a composite number. They will use quotient function of 100. 100 is 2 square into 5 square. Please go back and see the reminders class to understand how am I doing. 1 by 2 into 4 by 5. Either they will do like this or they will do 100 as 4 into 25. Chinese remainder theorem. Chinese remainder theorem. This 100 equivalent to 4 into 25 they will do. Numerator and denominator are not co-prime. So Euler's method definitely after taking the factors common only we have to do. 6 is an even number, 100 is an even number. This one method they will solve. The next method which they will do is 6 power 2005. They will factorize into 2 power 2005 and 3 power 2005. They will find out the last two digits for 2 power 2005 and 2 power 2005 and they will multiply it. It takes 2 minutes to solve this question. It also takes around 1.5 minutes to solve this question. 1.5 minutes to solve this question. Now see here. Now see here, we are getting into a level 3, advanced level. That is the reason it is question number 2. Now, Anil Nair's way of solving. Very, very easy way to solve. Within 5 seconds, you will get the answer. Anil Nair's method. Simple. If a number unit digit is 6, if the power is a multiple of 5, tens place could be any number. Tens place could be any number. Last two digits is 76. Last two digits it is 76. Directly the answer is 76. A could be any tens place. In our CAT enrolled batch, I gave a proof why it is happening to be 76. Now see here. What are the last two digits of 6 power 2005? 2005 is a multiple of 5. Answer directly it is 76. Answer directly it is 76. Let me see the charts. Yogesh, right after the class, you can always WhatsApp this number. My team will help you out to get the Telegram link. 80-500-6789. 80-500. I will write it here. 80-500-67891. You can always WhatsApp this number. You can always WhatsApp this number to get the Telegram link. Last two digits of 6 power 2005. You don't need to use method 1 and method 2. Method 1 and method 2. Directly you can use. Some problems we will solve. Some problems we will solve. Find the last two digits for. Find the last two digits for. Find the last two digits for. First question. 36 power 200. Answer is directly 76. 36 power 200. Answer is directly 76. So what is the logic? Any number ending with 6. If the power is a multiple of 5, last two digits will be 76. Last two digits will be 76. Idea clear? A6 power 5k. Directly you will get the answer. 56 power 141. This can be written as 56 power 140 into 56. 140 is a multiple of 5. So answer is 76 into 56. 76 into 56. 56 6 are 336. 33. 33. 56 7s are, this will be 42. 35. 392 plus 3. Answer is 56. Answer is 56. I hope it is clear. Very, very easy question, sir. 96 power 16. It is 96 power 15 into 96. It is 76 into 96. 96 divided by 100 minus 4. Negative remainder minus 04. Positive remainder, it is 96. Positive remainder, it is 96. Extremely easy question, sir. Suppose if the question is 46 power 37. 46 power 37. It is 46 power 35 into 46 square. A6 power 5k. Last two digits is 76. 46 square is 50 minus 4 square. Last two digits is 4 square, 16. 76 multiplied by any power of 2. Last two digits is nothing but 16. Very, very easy questions. If you get this kind of questions, consider yourself lucky. A6 power 5k. Last two digits is always 76. A6 power 5k. Last two digits is always 76. I hope the idea it is clear.